5-year-old Milwaukee boy accused of killing his mom was back in court today.
Prosecutors say the child shot his mother in part because she would not buy him a gaming device. Investigative reporter Hillary Mintz is outside the Juvenile Justice Center live in Milwaukee. Hillary, the boy's lawyers want to have a doctor evaluate him.
Right, Derek. And during the hearing this afternoon, the boy held onto a small stuffed animal. He showed no emotion, and his public defender telling the court she's not sure he can assist in his own defense and wants him to see a doctor. Just 10 years old and accused of the most severe crime, intentional homicide, for killing his own mother in November.
We've been pretty much just shaken to our core.
Rhonda Reed's 10-year-old nephew back in court Friday to find out if he'll stand trial.
22 CF 4573.
Per a court order, we can't name or show the boy's face.
We are set today for preliminary hearing. However, it's my understanding that there is a competency challenge.
The boy's public defender telling the court she's not sure the fourth grader understands the legal proceedings.
There's concern that may not understand what's going on and is not able to assist in his defense. So we are asking the court for a competency evaluation.
Prosecutors say the boy shot his mother, Kiana Mann, because she wouldn't buy him a virtual reality headset. His family sitting down exclusively with 12 News last month to shed more light on the case.
I think the biggest misconception is that it was over a VR Oculus headset.
His aunt and grandmother telling 12 News at the time of the tragedy, they say he was in treatment for behavioral issues and that Mann was trying to help her son.
It was recommended by his treatment providers that cell phones, electronic devices be limited because of the violent games that he was playing. So she was literally following his treatment plan when she decided to take his electronic devices, and that is what upset him.
The boy is charged as an adult, and his family believes it was the right call.
We just don't know what his mental state is and what he's capable of.
And Hillary's back with us. That 10-year-old Hillary still in custody tonight?
Still in custody, Derek, being held here at the Juvenile Detention Center. His family telling me that they believe that's really the safest option for him right now. Few family members were in court, but they had no comment leaving, and that doctor's report is due back next month.
Hillary Mintz reporting live in Milwaukee.